Hey everybody, so we are going to learn another multiplication strategy today. This one has a lot to do with yesterday's strategy. So if you look behind me, you already see like the broken heart, like the break apart strategy. So it's very similar. This is called the OverStrategy, okay? I didn't even know the name, the OverStrategy, until I went to go teach this. I knew how to do it, but I didn't know that that's what it was called. So you learn something new every day. Anyway, the OverStrategy. So it kind of like it says, we're going to be going over in our multiplying, but then you have to remember later to take out. So let me show you an example. It's a lot easier that way. Okay, so pretend we want to multiply 19 times 99. Okay, so in order to do this, when we look at it, my eyes right away kind of zone in on this. And I think about it and I say, if I could just do 19 times 100, it's so close, but it would be so much easier to multiply if I just went a little bit over, okay? And so, in order to do that, 19 times 99, we're going over by 1, okay? I want to show that in an area model really quick. So, whatever 19 times 100 is, we've really gone over the real thing, 19 times 99, by just 1. Okay, so let's see. 19 times 100. If we solve that, well, we can use our basic facts. 19 times 1 is 19 with 2 zeros. 1, 2. Okay, and from the back you take 3 steps and you kick to put your comma. So we have 1,900. So 19 times 100 is 1,900. However, 19 times 100 is not our real problem. Our real problem is 19 times 99. So we have to think about, okay, there is 1 instead of 100. Really, we should have 99. So this is too big. That's not the real product. So in order to just do 19 times 99, we did 19 times 100, but we have to take one group out. So 19 times 1 group is just plain old 19. So we have 1,900, but I have to take one group out. So I have to take 19 away. And so the real product would be whatever 19 times 100 is minus that one group. I think it's something that might help is seeing it in an equation. So we're really doing 19 times 100, but then we have to, instead of adding like yesterday, we have to take away 19 times 1. So really, if you look, 19 times, and the 100 minus 1 gets us that 99, okay? So for our real product, we've got, this was the 19 times 100 piece, and this is the 19 times 1 piece, and in order to find what the real product is, we're going to subtract this time. So yesterday we were adding, we were saying this plus this, but now we went too high. So we're really saying this minus this, so that we can be really multiplying the correct factor. Okay, so I had, when I did 19 times 100, I had this, when I did 19 times 1, I had this, and now I have to get rid of this group, okay? I'm subtracting. So 0 minus 9, more on the floor, go next door and take some more, but you can't. Go next door and take some more. 9 becomes an 8. This 0 becomes a 10. 0 minus 9, more on the floor, go next door. Now this becomes a 9, this becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 minus nothing is 8, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So my answer, take 3 steps and a kick, is 1,881. Okay, so just a review, because this is a tricky strategy, and remember, it is just that, it's a strategy. So you're going to try it, you're going to see if it helps you, see if it works, be open-minded. But if it doesn't help you and it's something that you're confused by, do your best to practice it, and then we'll be moving on to other strategies that you might find more helpful, okay? So really what we did was, we took 19 times 99, and we said, well, wait a minute, 99 is the same thing as 100. That's so much easier, but then we're going to have to take out a group. So really, we did 19 times 100 minus 1. So when I write it out, 19 times 100 is the first step. Take away 19 times 1. Okay, we will be doing more together in our notebook. So if this is a little tricky for you, don't worry about it. One thing I always suggest is checking your work. Okay, so if you're trying out this strategy and you're kind of like, I don't know if I got the right answer, this is new for me, check your work. So try 19 times 99 using a different strategy and see if you still get the same answer, okay? So let's try it using standard algorithm. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 1 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Placeholder 0. Now I can call this 9 instead of 90. So 9 times 9 again is 81. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 8, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, adding up my partial products. Talked about that yesterday. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8, and my 1. So take 3 steps and I kick. So my answer is 1,881 using this method. Hey, that's the same answer I got using this method, okay? So again, the OverStrategy, it's kind of similar to the break apart method in that you're taking this 99 and you get to kind of play with it a little bit. Let's make it 100, but let's give back that 1 later, okay? So you're really doing 19 groups of 100, and then you say, well, wait a minute, I need to take back one of those groups at the way end to make up for it. Okay, so try your best. Don't stress over it. We'll do a few problems and see how you feel with it. All right, good job.